All right, I just got this here for all of your relatives or friends that like to do crafts. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Here's what you get. And I think it's a bunch of stuff is in here. All right, so you get some pins and a little, like, I don't know, some type of a pan to put your different types of little beads and things so that you can, you know, I guess you glue them on. And then you get these, which are notebooks. Check them out. And you can do the outside of your notebook. You see that? So this is where you would put everything. But you want to leave this on until you do that because it's kind of sticky. You know what I mean? And then the inside of the notebooks, look, check it out. So these are kind of cool. Yeah, this right here is sticky. So right here is kind of sticky, and that's where you'd put these. You'd put these little, like, bedazzling things. So you've got, let's see what kind you got. Gotta get them out of here. Okay, so you've got round ones, and you've got, those are the round ones. And then you've got like eye-shaped, right? And then you've got, look at all the different colors. I mean, talk about bedazzling. This will be very bedazzling. And then you can take those, and what you do is you put them on your notebook, and you put them like in these little spots right here. You follow me? And then at the bottom of it, you've got all these little spots you could do. But you got to leave this plastic on there, otherwise it'll screw it up. And each one of them, there's different ones, right? You get, I think, 4 of them all together. So there's different designs. So those two are the same. Maybe there's another one. Oh, look, here. So this is one design. This is one design. This one is basically the same, but it's a little bit different color. And then this one here, which is different colors. So you get 4 different notebooks. Let's put those back in. And and you get more of these little plastic things that you put around the notebook after you're done. So that's how that works. I'm gonna put it all back in the box. All these. And your round ones, and then this is your little, so what you do is you use this little tweezer thing. Here, let me show you. So you get your little tweezers and you grab them and stick them on there, right? Set that in there. And then these, I'm not quite sure what those are, but maybe you pop it and then stick it down with that. And then you can pour them in this little thing here, and then any ones that you got left over, you can stick them in these little pouches. And then this, I'm not quite sure what this is. It's like, I don't know, man. There's some weird stuff in here. I have no idea what it is. Okay, so on further inspection, here is how you do it. So those things are the glue. This is like a pin that you smush it into it like that to glue it. And, you know, the other things, we kind of know what they are, right? So I'll show you that real quick. So this is, you push this in this, and that gives you the glue. This is like a glue stick thing. So that's basically how it works. If you don't know, when you get the thing, though, it's going to have it on the back of the box, so. But anyway, if you've got some artsy craftsy person in your family, like we do, they're going to get this for Christmas. I know exactly who I'm giving this to. I'm giving this to Lauren. All right, if you like this video, check out all my other videos on stuff like this. Peace out.